Hello, my name is Fiona Walsh of Imagine Coaching, and I have worked with Louise Brogan on one of her monthly retainer packages. So I would send my planned content to Louise for the month and she would review it and then we would meet. So firstly, it's great for getting you to actually do that and stick to that plan or to create the content for the month. That's really, really helpful. Secondly, Louise has given me some fantastic feedback and I have increased my engagement on posts. I would say I regularly get over 3,000 views on posts or engagement on posts, whereas before it would have been under 1,000. So that's really made a big difference to my business. Finally, though, Louise is a brilliant business coach. So not only has she helped me with LinkedIn, she's actually helped me with other areas of my business and made some fantastic suggestions. So I would highly recommend Louise. And Louise, it's been an absolute pleasure working with you. Thank you very much.